Hello guys, this is the right video to get perfect guide to install XAMPP server on your Windows operating system. At the end of this video, I will run an employment attendance system on XAMPP server. Let's get started. First, open any browser and search for XAMPP download. Then first search result, you will find download XAMPP option. Click on it. Now you will land on this web page and here you will find XAMPP for Windows, Linux and macOS. But we need to download it for our Windows operating system. So we'll download any of those version. I am going with this one. Now your download will start and you will have to wait for it. So guys, our download is completed and in your download section, you will find the XAMPP Windows installer file here. And remember, this is the same file that we downloaded from official XAMPP website. Now double click on it. You may or may not get this warning, but just click on OK to ignore it. Then the setup wizard will open. Just click on next. Here you will find which servers and programming languages will be installed on our operating system. For example, this installation will install MySQL server, FileZilla FTP server and Tomcat server. Additionally, you will install PHP and perl programming languages. Just click on next. Here you can choose another folder to install XAMPP setup, but I recommend not doing it if you are a beginner. Just click on next. As our default language is English, so keep it and just click on next. Here it says our setup is now ready to begin installing XAMPP on our computer. Just click on next. As you can see, our installation process has started. It will take a few moments to complete. Finally, we have completed our XAMPP wizard. Just untick this and click on finish. Now I will run a ready-made project on XAMPP server. Here I have complete backend code and frontend code. I will copy it now. Then I will search for XAMPP in the Windows search bar and click on it. Now our XAMPP control panel is open. Here you will find Explorer option. Click on it. And now here you will see htdocs and open it. Now inside htdocs, create a new folder named attendance_system and open this folder. Then paste our attendance system programming files. Now again go to XAMPP control panel, start Apache and MySQL servers by clicking those start button. Then I will click on admin and here I am landed on phpmyadmin panel. Now I will run a query to create my database. Click here in SQL. Then type create database and give the name of the database here. I will name it attendance system. And press on go. Our database is created. Then I will create table inside database. So again I will click on SQL and type use attendance_system. That means where we want to create the table which is inside the attendance system database. Now we have to create two tables. One is for employee list and another one is for attendance data. So just type create table and then provide the table name employee. Inside the first bracket, we have to mention our table column names and their data type. Then another table will be attendance. So again type create table, attendance and provide the table column names and their data type. Now click on go. Here our tables and databases are created. Now open another tab and type localhost / and type our project folder name. Our project folder name is attendance_system. Then press enter. Now type your name, your position and employment ID and click on add employee. Now here just select your name, provide the date and mark as present or absent. Then click on mark attendance. Now open our localhost admin panel, and inside our tables, our data has been stored here, as you can see. If you want to more detailed video on XAMPP, PHP and JavaScript, just let me know in the comment section. So guys, I hope this detailed video helps you a lot. If yes, please support this channel. See you in the another tutorial.